so sketchy.
Send it.
Oh,
my
shit.
body came off of the ground.
My arms just hurt from the steering wheel just whipping my shit. Oh. Oh. We decided today was super boring, so we're gonna jump the limo.
Okay.
Let's go! All right, let's jump the limo. So what happens is, people keep leaving the doors open, and the back, like the tailgate lamp, it stays on. This 2 halogen bulbs. So if they leave the door open on accident, they've just been leaving it cracked. That stays on and it kills it, unfortunately. But we'll get her running.
Whoa.
Ah! You son of a bitch. And we got power already. See that?
Whoa, we're cooking in the fire.
This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Oh. Let it shine, let it shine. All right, the moment of truth, baby. Fired right up. All right, AC compressors, boom, boom. You gotta turn those on. Come check out this electronic panel on a limo if you guys have never seen this, because it is wild. And then this is the main power.
Jesus.
So you gotta push this down. Boom. And that's for all the backyard stuff. So now we leave that on. We let the AC run. I'll go turn it on back there, and we'll try to get this thing cold. All right, so keep the AC on. Forward.
I'm gonna go get money.
So you guys have been absolutely loving the Ridgeline footage. So we're figuring out what more we can do with the Ridgeline. So today we called up the Gravity Park. It's one of our local motocross tracks, and we're gonna take the Ridgeline out. They have a circle track. We're gonna strap the trailer to the back of the General. There's something on the wing. Something. Oh shit. And we're gonna load up the Ridgeline. We're gonna take it out there and see if a 14 wide street tire Ridgeline stretched like crazy can bomb it around the circle track. Oh! We're just gonna beat a tire and break the shit out of it. One of two is gonna happen. I don't know which one, but stay tuned, find out. We got seat belts, we got Generals, we got Ridgeline, we got trailers, we got corn, we got pizza. I need a credit card for gas. I wanna go get gas. Yes,
torturing these
yeah,
tires.
it's tough. All right, Johnny, you ready? What happened?
She's done.
Why?
See that fence?
Yeah?
Yeah.
You hit it?
Oh yeah.
Oh, no.
Big time.
Look at how much dirt's in there. It is such a rough ride.
Dude, you were hauling it.
Dude, I was doing 55. Little Betsy's got some oomph to her. Don't be scared. You just gotta send it. I was doing like 55 at max.
All right.
There is nothing wrong. Like, we still just don't have power steering, and our TPMS light keeps going on and off, so like sometimes we have them, sometimes we don't. That is so lit.
This thing's nuts.
Well, here is, I'm gonna turn this on just in case you crash, so then we have it.
All right.
The one inside?
Let it rip, Tater Shit! You're my best friend! Woo! I love you, Ricky!
We never tried right. Left turns, brother. It's NASCAR.
That's so much more fun. Oh my God, I feel like I'm driving a go-kart, but it's a fucking Ridgeline. Like, oh my God. Can you debead this thing now?
Dude, I was amazed, dude. It is the roughest ride.
Yes.
We're torturing
Yeah,
these
it's
tires.
tough. All right, let me get my helmet.
Oh my God.
Can I drive? Oh, yeah, bitch!
The short answer.
To what?
I can't debeat this thing. I mean, I was hauling ass.
Put it in four-wheel drive.
I'm okay with it not being debeated.
Oh, okay.
To where we can still drive it. Well, here, come here. I can do it right now. Maybe I can't. It won't do it! Mind you, this entire time, we don't have power steering.
What?
That's why it's sketchy. You ready?
Yeah.
I want a race.
Dude, this thing
Yeah.
would do well.
Yeah,
The Fortune ones are actually like
Yeah, like I want to stomp somebody in a race on this, just like this. The crazy part is we're not like rubbing in any of these corners either.
I know. It's like holding up.
Why?
Like what?
Why is this thing not broken?
You know what the best part is?
What happened?
You still got beers in the back?
No way!
Oh, that was so lit.
Damn, it
Bro, that
feels
was
good
so
to be a
sick.
gangster.
Am I allowed to go out there, or is that groomed for the bikes right now?
That is groomed for the trucks.
Let's get it! It's f***ing set up for trucks right now. It is? Yes. She said them boys with the truck want to go on the moto track. He was like, tell them to go. Crawl in there. Oh. How is this for trucks? Like, where do I go from here? Oh my God.
Yeah, this definitely might not be part of the core.
You should have them get out.
What?
Oh shit.
What?
We got hella lights on. VSA.
How's the engine?
I can't even turn it off though.
How's the engine?
Engine's fine. Alright, let's go.
Oh my god.
It's so much easier when you're going faster.
Oh my god. Send it. Oh my god. What's on the other side?
Alright. That was funny. Alright, we're going back. Alright. Maybe that's... Oh shit. Oh shit. I'm sweating. Oh. That was what f***ed us up. Alright, so we gotta be careful.
You're just like,
I can't steer this thing. They made for us. Shawn! What? I want to go through the mud. I'm gonna smoke the cone.
on purpose?
Yeah.
Oh god.
Oh God! Jesus!
Well. Oh shit. This one's sketchy.
This one's steep.
Oh shit. Oi! Oi!
Make the corner, make the corner! Hit the mud again, hit the mud again.
You want to talk about racing sim with feedback? Alright, are we good? Are we good?
I hope so.
Are we good?
I was trying to see who was having fun, and I saw you guys with Ridgelines and limo trucks and PewDiePie Tuber Simulator.
I don't know what that means, but I know who PewDiePie is.
That doesn't sound good. Who's PewDiePie? Is he an idiot?
He's a porn star.
He's a YouTuber. A YouTuber.
Approved.
I didn't hear anything.
Stop doing that.
Why?
The whole video is just going to be you leg slapping.
Yeah, like slapping the...
Stop. Let me see it. Give it to me.
Oh, there goes that. This
I
video.
want to see cool shit.
Alright,
The cool
they're over here.
Junior, do you know how long I've wanted a limo for this company?
Ever?
Ever since you left the windows open.
God damn it.
Look at the size of the chicken strips on this son of a bitch. He couldn't possibly ever turn.
No, that's good.
You could not turn and have chicken strips that
You
wide.
should go look at the chicken strips on mine.
Wow, what's up with all the bubbling?
You gotta close your eyes when you walk past it.
Oh my God, the whole thing's like that. So when you went and saw it in person, were you a little deflated?
Yes.
Yeah.
But then the next day we were excited to get it. He doesn't like your chicken strips.
Yeah, he said you don't...
He had chicken strips.
Have you ever turned this motorcycle? Look at the size of the chicken strips on there. No, don't do anything dumb out of peer pressure. Hey, no! Put on your helmet.
He turned. He turned. I don't know what happened.
The answer was to just leave? Tell me it's got a good stereo. What are all these little dumb TVs?
Well, they're TVs.
Showed him.
You have any Tupac? What did you just do?
I just took off.
I thought we were fighting for a long time. This song came out the same year this limo was cool.
I want you to drive it so bad. I just want you to go and try to turn around.
This is well worth it. Move your bike. Can I get there this way?
No, I mean, you try. No. You can't
get my man moves through there.
You can't.
I'm going through there.
Yeah.
Can I turn around in that parking lot?
I want to see you try.
How do you just hope the rest of it follows you?
So,
Because you can't see back there.
right.
Do you just hope it's behind you?
Yeah, kind of.
There's no backup camera?
No, we need that. You ain't making it.
You're not gonna make
Really?
No.
I can't make that?
No.
Lies. Oh my God, look at the Ridgeline. What did you do to it? Oh, by the way, I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. Ah! You guys don't know what you're talking about. Let's go! This is so easy to drive. Where did it go?
This is so easy to drive as you're about to hit the building. You're not gonna make it.
It's where I'm parking, Junior.
Oh, it says no parking though.
Right, that's why. I want to go see this Ridgeline. What did you do? Oh yeah. But I think I like this one better.
Yeah, the Ridgeline needs a little bit of work now.
What'd you do?
We went to Gravity Park, so we
Oh
got like
my God.
we got like full access to Gravity Park from the
On
owner.
those wheels and tires.
Yeah.
Look at the wheel.
Yeah, we're gonna get it clean. Don't worry.
No, this.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that.
That's awesome.
Yeah, that's the thing.
These are my helmets.
They are your helmets. Look at that. No engine lights, baby.
So I have no power steering.
You have no power steering. No, it's.
Oh my God.
I love how this skid place is dragging.
It's harder to turn in the limo.
Front wheel drive until all wheel drive kicks in when it feels like spin.
Oh, that's why it doesn't do anything. This feels like the sweetest go-kart ever.
Yeah.
I thought this was gonna be a SEMA build.
It is.
Oh,
Yeah, we just gotta clean it.
in process.
Shit.
Banker, this is all I wanted when I was 17.
We can have it now. I will put that on the trailer. You can take it back to Florida.
This is why we can't have nice things. Can't you do two love this? F***ing liar. He's a liar.
I like building it. I don't like this.
There it is. He just.
that?
What did he just say?
I like building it.
And the limo.
Yeah, I don't have a problem with
You
building
do like the limo too?
it. I think it's a great idea.
I was just as mad as you were when he first sent it to me. I was like, that's not what I f***ing mean. And then an hour later, I was like, fuck, it's gotta be sweet. And the limo.
Well, my balls are very warm.
Look at that. God damn it, Joe.
That's so awesome.